Good morning, everyone. Lauren here with Lauren Elizabeth Fine Art, and I help beginner through professional level artists reduce stress while mastering the art of animal art. So, very different video than my normal tutorial or how-to video. I'm gonna vlog. I never do this. This is really different for me. I just woke up and I am being quiet because the little one, Anna Grace, is still asleep. And the sun is just coming up, drinking my coffee, finishing up this painting. I still have a little bit more to do. I am 25 weeks pregnant, so I'm due in June, but just been really struggling with a lot of nerves. So many thoughts going through my mind. This is what inspired this painting. Organize sort of my schedule in a way that I can literally break off for like 3, 4, 5 hours and just paint and just listen to worship music and just write down my thoughts and also exercise. At this point in my life, I am just using exercise to have energy to do what I want to do what I love to do, to feel good when I'm with my family. And I find that running or going on the bike or walking on the treadmill, walking outside when it's warm has helped me so much with my energy levels. And so I still weightlift, but I find that the cardio just gives me that mental and physical boost that I really am just craving so much. So through the highs and lows of pregnancy and just feeling so downright tired, and we've actually had a few health complications where I have placenta previa, so the placenta is covering up the cervix, which can change. It really can. I still have 3 more months left of the pregnancy. But if it doesn't, I have to get a C-section, and there's just complications with that. Beforehand, I might have to go on bed rest if it doesn't change, because the risk of that placenta breaking before I'm due is just really dangerous. So, and then other things that we've noticed with the baby that I have to get more ultrasounds for. So just been a little bit of a scare there too. But this verse, the verse that has inspired this painting, it's Isaiah 40:31. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. The common trend that I've been feeling since the day I got pregnant, I have just been feeling exhausted and overwhelmed from just trying to be a good mom and also trying to grow and run a business that really serves people. I have felt this, and so this verse I've been clinging to so much, that it's okay to feel weak. It's actually a great thing to feel weak. It's actually necessary to feel weak to be able to move you to those places where you feel strong. And in order for me to get through this season, in order for me to triumph from all these struggles, I need the Lord. And I have been turning to Him so much and just trying to really listen to what He's teaching me, listen to the lessons. Another story I have that kind of goes along with this painting is, and I know I'm jumping around, is so I have a list. I have a list of things that I want to organize and I want to do before baby Zachary comes, and both at home, both in my business, whatnot. And one of them is to go through this one closet that is just so cluttered. I mean, it was so cluttered, full of stuff that I've just been, if I don't know what to do with it, I'll just throw it in that closet and I'll just close the door and I'll literally just ignore it. That's what this closet has become, the junk closet. And so I wanted to organize that, and just out of the blue, I'm sitting on the couch and I'm talking to my husband about this and saying how I feel so guilty and ashamed that I've just kind of like, there's areas of my life that I kind of just do that. I don't know what to do with it. I'll just throw it in the closet and I'll figure it out later. But then what happens that day after I told him, I was doing my stuff for my business, and I find out that he is organizing that closet. Adam just took it upon himself to completely go through everything in that closet, something that I felt ashamed of that I should be doing and he shouldn't be doing. He's not done any of that. And And so he threw out stuff that we didn't need anymore. He organized things and put them in the right spot. He vacuumed, he dusted, he cleaned. I mean, this man is truly an angel. He has been such an enormous help. And I think there's areas in my life where I feel like I made that mess. I should be able to take care of it. Like, I should be able to fix it. And that's something that I did to myself. And I don't know if you feel this way, but we can ask for help from the Lord and from people, even in areas that we might have screwed up. So thanks to Adam, I was able to check off something on my list that I didn't even do. And it took him like the whole day to do that. And it was just a reminder that throughout your life, you're just going to make mistakes. You're going to mess up. You're going to make poor decisions. And it's not dependent on you to fix all these struggles, because the Lord actually wants to use your weaknesses. He actually wants to shine through them, and you're actually preventing a blessing from happening. And Adam really demonstrated that. My husband really demonstrated that grace, that you're allowed to ask for help. You don't have to be ashamed of anything. You don't have to hide. I think my past of eating disorders, there's so much like hiding with eating disorders, and I think that's still ingrained in me to like hide things that I don't know what to do with, and to just figure it out on my own. But we don't have to figure it out on our own. We can invite people into our hidden places, and we can actually get those angels to help us. And sometimes those angels are staring us right in the face. We ask for help, we're looking to God for that help, but they're actually right in front of us. My husband, I didn't even think to ask him. I didn't even think to ask him for help, but he just stepped in and did it. It was definitely a breakthrough moment for me. It gave me a sense of hope. It was like a reminder from the Lord that I want to be in all things. I want to be in those hidden areas. I want to be in those things that you're proud of. I want to shine through those weaknesses. I want to help you when you feel tired. I want to strengthen you when you feel hopeless. And on an entirely different note, the sunshine is coming out, the weather has gotten warmer. I have just been absolutely enjoying the spring weather. I think with my nutrition background, if there's another thing that I can encourage you guys to do, is to get outside, because I also realized that so my doctor told me I was iron deficient. And then later I find out I'm very vitamin D deficient, which is a very big vitamin that affects your brain and your bones and a lot of other things. And so guys, please get outside 10 minutes. They say all you need is 10 minutes at least every day in the sun. And Anna Grace and I have been doing that on our walks, and that has just helped me a lot as well. So make sure you just eat your leafy greens, get lots of fruits and veggies, and also to go outside in the sunlight, because that can do your brain and body really good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next tutorial or video for stress relief. All right guys, have a great day. Bye.